Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to kick or remove bots in CS2. Okay, first things first, while in CSGO, just open the console. Type bot underscore kick followed by the specific bot's name if it is known. For example, bot underscore kick, then enter the bot name. Just press enter to remove the targeted bot from the server. You can also use the command bot underscore kick all to remove all bots from the server all at once. So just enter bot underscore kick all into the console and press enter to confirm. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now kick or remove bots in CS2. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!